my God. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a big day. I'm praying that we get this car out of limp mode and we get it all back on the road. Right now what I'm about to do is I'm about to hop in it and we're gonna drive it down in limp mode to my buddy's shop, NBA Motorsports. So we're about to hop in it, go down there. We're just gonna go slow, like 20 miles an hour. I think it only goes past 25 miles an hour because it's in limp mode. I talked to my buddy, he said it's no big deal, just make sure your fluids are all good, which they are because I checked them all. So we're about to hop in it, start it up, and head down there. He's only about a mile away from me, so it's really not a big deal. So we're gonna head down there and hopefully get this thing figured out. So I guess let's give this thing a cold start, start it up, and head down there. All right, guys, so we are off. We're in the car right now. It's still in limp mode, obviously, but I'm just going really slow. Actually, it's not in limp mode because I haven't gave it gas yet. When I give it gas, it goes into limp mode. So I'm purposely trying not to do that. I'm just gonna cruise and see how it goes. So I guess I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so I'm actually pulling up right now. Of course, you know it's gotta rain the one day I drive this car over here, but is what it is. Hopefully we get this figured out, and I guess I'll catch you guys inside. Well, I thought it was good. Thanks, bro. Yeah, it came out nice. Yep. By the way, if you guys don't know, this is Justin. He's Matt's brother. Matt's the owner of NBA Motorsports, which is where we're at. So we're gonna get this thing figured out today, hopefully. What up, bro?
What's up, man? How you doing?
This is Matt.
What's up, man?
What do you think?
It's good, man.
Thanks, bro.
I'm really nice.
I'm pretty excited for it.
Yeah.
Staring at it's like ass because I want to drive it so bad, and that's I get it all done, and then it drives like shit, you know what I mean? But I don't know.
Came out good though. Good.
Pretty much everything's OEM except like how I did the rear quarters, but
yep.
I mean it's almost the same.
Yeah,
it's not really a huge difference how I did it.
And you might have another set of these.
I got those at the shop too.
Okay.
Yeah, but I want to do the Demon Hood.
Yeah, that would look nice.
Yeah.
When a Hellcat throttle body going bad.
Yeah. But everyone, that's what they're saying. They're saying it's the throttle body. They have the same problem. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of the Dodges have throttle body issues.
Because every plug, I checked every plug over. I pulled them all out. I cleaned this plug right here.
Yep.
And I went through everything, and I don't know, it's still nothing.
I'm gonna say it's throttle body.
Yeah. When I let it sit for a little bit and start it, it's not in limp mode.
Right.
And then once I put it in gear and actually give it any throttle whatsoever,
yep.
It instantly goes into limp mode.
Yep.
So some people are saying it just needs to be recalibrated in the tune.
It could, but we can't do that. I haven't. Well,
when he wrecked the car, like he was driving it.
Yeah.
Like he literally was driving. I mean, he was driving it, wrecked it, went to the yard, then he pulled the pulley off.
Yep.
From what I understand, they just swapped the whole blower and everything because.
This is the first time you've like driven it, like ran it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Well, I mean, I've driven it to the gas station, but that's it. This is the first time I
actually. Did you do that as soon as you started driving it?
Well, when I didn't even want to rev it or anything when I first got it because it was making a burning sound or a burning smell and a ticking sound because this fan was all f***ed up, so it was like it wouldn't even spin and it was hitting the AC condenser, so I didn't even want to rev it. So I wish I did know that, like if it was doing this before I pulled the blower off and everything, but I don't think so. But I mean, I made sure I put all the gaskets right. It's holding 18 pounds of vacuum, which is what people said it needs. That make sure I didn't swap one of these, like I put one in the wrong place because I didn't think that was possible, but I guess because usually they don't plug in, but I double checked them. Like this one has the little clip here, so I know that's good. I mean, from what I understand, everything's good. I don't know.
Yeah.
Also, I did like right when I got the car, the whole engine bay was like covered in dirt, so I sprayed it down. So I don't know, that could have messed something up. Someone said that these are really water sensitive.
Yeah, they are.
So at that point, I did the 285 those because I just wanted to put it on and then drive it. You know what I mean? Now it's like, if I have to retune and all this, I wish I would have done a smaller pulley or I would have just went at it. Alright guys, so we are leaving right now. We figured out a couple things. We didn't get it fixed. They were looking at it, but there's not really a whole lot we can do at this moment. From what I understand and what I talked to them, I kind of had an idea of what, we both kind of had the same understanding. So the map sensors, that's what that code's throwing, is for the map sensor or something in the intake, because like you guys said, you guys are saying it's for the throttle body. I kind of knew that, but I was hoping maybe it was just something stupid, or maybe it was in the tune or all this stuff. But what they suggested is I go and replace the map sensor on the supercharger lid. I already sprayed it out with carb clean. I tried to clean it, but it didn't do nothing. So now the next step is to go get that map sensor from the dealership, plug it in, hope it fixes it. We'll see. I really don't know. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna swap it out, see if that helps, and I guess we're gonna go from there. So right now I'm gonna head over to the dealership and I'll catch you guys there. Okay. It's the map sensor on top of the supercharger lid, or on the side, on the driver's side. All right guys, got my parts. But check out this Charger Hellcat. This thing's sick. This purple, I love this purple. This purple goes hard. These hood pins are sick. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get those. Those wheels too. Damn, son. What do y'all think? Black, blue, or blue? They're all pretty sick. OEM wide body, and then look at my car. Obviously that needs to be painted, but I mean, it looks the same. Look, these are the exact same wheels. And look at the tread on these. Look at that tread. Can you see it? And then look at my tread. Literally, mine has more tread. Swear. Mine has more tread than this, but look at that fitment too. Same fitment right there. Right there. Same fitment exactly. So people are saying these have different suspensions, different control arms, but I don't think that's true. I think this is the same. And look at the gap right here. So look, I got like a little finger right there, and then look at my car. A finger, identical. So the way I see it is my car is just as clean as a OEM wide body. I mean, it is, it's the exact same. I mean, look at it from the back. Like I said, I still need to paint that piece, but you can see they literally, the fitment's identical. All right guys, so we're back at the shop right now. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow when we get that sensor. We're gonna install that back here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, so we're back here. It's the next day. I got the parts that I need. I got a couple extra parts that I don't need, but I got them anyway because we're missing them. So let me show you what we got going on. I just put in this strut tower here. Oh, almost dropped the parts. So I just put in this strut tower here. It just pops in. This was in the back seat of the car. I honestly didn't even know what it was. It took me a little bit, but luckily the bolts were in the center console, so we got that going for us. But one thing that we are missing is this ECU mount, to mount the ECU. So someone was saying that the ECU might not be grounded to the car because this wasn't bolted on, and that might be why it's in limp mode. I don't think that's the case, but anyway, we needed it. So I ordered this, just came in. We also have a new map sensor. Right here we have this new sensor that I'm going to replace. I'm hoping that will fix the limp mode, but we don't know. And also I have the hood sensor that senses that the hood is closed, because we're missing that as well. So that sits right here. So I'm going to install this stuff, and hopefully this all fixes our problem. So let's pray that it works. It probably won't, but let's get this installed and crank this thing up. I got all the parts on. I got the new map sensor in, plugged in. I checked all these connections just to make sure. People were saying that they might be swapped, but I think they're all good from what I see. I got this all in. I got the ECU all plugged in. People were saying, like I said, that it could be because it wasn't grounded out, because it wasn't on the bracket, but I don't know. So we're gonna close this hood, start this thing up. I'm probably gonna clear the codes, and then we're gonna go see if it goes into limp mode. So wish us luck. All right, I got my scanner out. We got David in the passenger seat, hoping to go rip this thing, but I don't think so. Like, we got a throttle position sensor 2 circuit low and TPS APP circuit high. Those are new codes, but let's put this thing in gear and see what it does. We'll know right away. I'll literally know right here. Holy shit. Yo, I don't know if we fixed it. Oh, got the light on again. Damn, son. Yep. It's on again. So I'm driving right now. I'm in my truck. So I kind of gave up on trying to fix the Hellcat. Honestly, it all comes down to money. I could drop it off at, you know, a qualified shop that knows what they're doing. But at the end of the day, it comes down to money, which I was trying to save as much as I can because the whole point of this build is trying to do it for cheap. And at the end of it, you know, reveal how much it all costs. But it looks like it's out of my hands. I don't know how to fix it, so I'm gonna talk with a couple friends, figure out where to bring it, if I should bring it to the dealership, or if I should bring it to like a custom, you know, a custom performance shop. But it honestly, I don't know. So I'm thinking maybe the dealership so they can reflash everything and put it back to the stock tune. Because if they put it back to the stock tune and it still is going into limp mode, then we know it's not the tune. So then they can run their diagnostic and figure out what it needs. So that's what I'm thinking, but I don't know. So I'll catch back with you guys soon. I'm working at it as best as I can, guys. Honestly, this is out of my hands. I can only do so much. So I guess I'll let you guys know soon, and I'll catch back with you then. All right, guys, so we're back. I'm at my buddy's shop, another buddy. We're at Country Club Exhaust. My buddy John here is hopefully gonna help me out. He's got a back scanner, so he's got it hooked up right now, remotely, like wirelessly. So he's in there right now scanning it from in there, so I'm gonna walk in there and we're gonna see what he sees on there. Hopefully, I think he's gonna try to reprogram the throttle body to relearn, because the pedal and the throttle body on these aren't on a wire or anything. They're remote, so they're like electric. So pretty much he's gonna resync them because we think that's the problem, but we're about to find out. So it's hope for the best and see what's going on. And no luck. All right, guys, so right now I'm in the Hyundai. This is my buddy John's. He's the owner of Country Club Exhaust up here on in Cape Coral. So what we did is we swapped the sensors. The map sensor that I already replaced, swapped that out with the one that's by the intake, because there's 3 sensors, they're all identical. So I just swapped that one to the other one, and it started running like complete shit, which is good. And also it threw a new code. So what I'm thinking, which I'm almost positive this is what it is, but I'm gonna cross my fingers. I don't wanna jinx myself. But now it's running like shit since we swapped those sensors. So I think I swapped the wrong sensor. There's 3, like I said, 3 identical sensors. So I'm running up to my shop right now. I'm driving. He let me take, this is like the little get around vehicle. He let me take this. I'm gonna grab the sensor that I pulled out that I thought was bad, but it wasn't bad. Put that in the sensor where I just replaced again, because I swapped them, and we're gonna see if it runs right. So a lot going on. I don't know if you guys understand what I just said, but let me go grab this sensor and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we just scanned it and there's no codes coming up except for the code for the tune on the car. So this is the moment of truth. About to start this thing up. Sounds good.
No transmission codes either.
Really? That turned off as well.
Yeah.
That's.
I'm close to.
Oh!
Take it for a drive. Leave the scan.
All right. I'm gonna leave it hooked up. You trying to come?
No, go ahead.
All right.
Gotta make some money.
I feel you. Me too. All right, guys. This might be it. Backing this thing out. Oh my God, this is crazy. My battery's actually about to die. This is crazy. I should have grabbed a battery. I'm about to go on this back road, and I guess if my battery dies, I'm gonna use my phone to vlog, because literally my battery's blinking right now. But I'm gonna go on this back road here. I think it's good. The light didn't come on. This is crazy. We're about to rip this thing. All right, here we go. Before my battery dies. Oh! Oh my God, it's running. It's good. It's just, oh my God, that was crazy. Holy crap. Oh my God, this thing's a monster. All right, here we go. Another, oh my God, that was crazy. Here we go. Holy crap. Guys, my camera actually died. I'm on my phone right now, but this is crazy. Oh my God, dude, I'm about to turn traction control off, and I think you just hold it. It's freaking running great. I did it, me and John figured it out. Mostly John, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I knew to replace the sensor, but I didn't know which one to do. He looked up some stuff. All right, but here we go. my God. This is crazy. No check engine light. I got traction control off right now, but this thing is ridiculous. Oh my God. This is literally insane. It just freaking spins. All right, guys, well, it's all fixed. Right now I'm about to go back to my buddy Country Club Exhaust, John. Big shout out to them. Go check them out. If you ever need anything in the area, go check them out. They're the guys. Honestly, he's been hooking me up my whole life. Always takes care of me. He's the man. All right, John, this is the man right here, Country Club Exhaust. Always takes care of me and always comes through.
I fix everything you break, brother.
All right, guys, so tomorrow we're gonna come back here and fix the exhaust. He's gonna weld up the exhaust, cut it and shorten it, and get that all figured out. So we'll be back here tomorrow with a new video, but that's gonna be a wrap. I guess let's head out of here though.
It's a wrap.
A wrap. Shout out to John. All right, guys, so I'm just at my favorite place right now, Polo Tropical, grabbing some food, but that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Like I said, big shout out to Country Club Exhaust. Not only did they hook me up just now, always taking care of me, but John literally for years now has been taking care of me. So it's not like he just hooked me up because I got a YouTube channel or something like that. Literally, he's a really good guy. So go check him out. He's literally my whole life has hooked me up, always taking care of me, always went beyond what he had to. So means a lot. Tomorrow I'm gonna go there and get the exhaust fixed. He's gonna cut it and shorten it because that's what he does. That's his main thing. It's called Country Club Exhaust for a reason. And also we're gonna fix the AC in this thing because if you guys don't remember, when I removed all the coolers, all the Freon the Freon is not there anymore. I don't know what happened to it. It might have disappeared, but you guys get the idea. So tomorrow we're gonna recharge the AC and get this thing charged up. So I got ice cold AC because we are in Florida, so that's a must. We gotta get that right off rip, and we're gonna get the exhaust shortened and fixed. So no more saggy exhaust by tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed my reaction because this thing's so sick. I've been driving. I mean, I'm kind of driving around town right now to get some food, enjoying it. But I'm gonna bring it back up to the shop, park it, and you know, tomorrow I'll catch you guys again in the next video. So stay tuned. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and go copy some merch if you want to support your boy. This is just a white basic Hellkeazy shirt. I got the JG hats, I got it all. So go check out the link below, and I appreciate y'all watching. So now that's about it. I guess stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, or I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.